Okay, in this video we are going to see how to install OpenLAN. Uh, OpenLAN contains RTL to GDS tools. Uh, they are open source, fully free to work. Uh, to install the OpenLAN, go to a VirtualBox, and I already told you how to install Ubuntu. Just start here. Okay, now we are entered our virtual machine, and this is our Ubuntu. Enter the password and get inside. Okay, this is an first virtual machine. I has not installed anything in this. You need to listen carefully and don't skip any steps, because the full process will be done in the terminal only. If you miss any single command, then the whole process will collapse during your final process. So carefully do the same steps what I am doing here. Okay, first of all, open your virtual box and go to your terminal. Now, first, the basic process is to always update and upgrade your system. Just type sudo apt get update, enter, and it's asking password. I think in YouTube there is no proper video to show how to install OpenLAN, so only I am doing this video. I think this will helpful for an VLSI students who is trying to learn RTL to GDS flow. Okay, after update we need to do upgrade. Sudo apt get upgrade. Okay, if something asks like this, you should need to give y, which represent y means yes, no, n means no. We need to give yes, yes, then enter. It will take several times based on your internet speed, approximately 5 to 10 minutes. So now I am just cutting this video, but you need to wait for few minutes to complete this. Okay, the process is completed. The reason why we are giving this and why this takes too much of time means we are using the older version of Ubuntu. I already said you the older version is always the stable version, but uh, the software inside this are not should be older, because the software inside should be up to date, then only it will perform good for other applications. So why we are doing this update and upgrade process. This will not upgrade your OS, this will only upgrade your softwares. Okay, the next step is to install the requirements for OpenLAN. OpenLAN needs some libraries and some firmwares to run, so we are going to install that. Okay, first we are going to install build essentials. For that, type sudo apt get install build minus essential essential. Press enter. We need to give y means yes. Yeah, it's running. This all don't take too much of time, so don't worry. The OpenLAN contains so much of tools inside that they are OpenRoad, Magic, K-Layout, OpenSTA, and NGSpice. So much of tools is available inside the OpenLAN. For each and every process, you need a tool for RTL, for simulation, synthesis. For synthesis, you use Yosis. Yosis tool also will available in this OpenLAN. Okay. Now we need to install Python because the script of running OpenLAN is written in Python. So you need to install Python. Sudo apt get install Python 3. Python 3 means version 3. The Python 3 is the stablest version. So we're using a third version and just click enter. It says 0 upgrade, 0 newly installed, which means why here this is showing means in the beginning we give upgrade and update. During this upgrade process, Python has already installed in your system. So we are just cross verifying this, because if any one of the library is not there means it will not work. Okay, next we need to install sudo apt get install Python 3 minus venv, which means environment. Press enter. Same, yes. It's downloading something. Yeah. Okay, next we need to install another sudo apt get install python 3 minus pip. You know, pip is the command to install other Python libraries, like pip install, pip upgrade, such as functions is done in pip. Again, why? I am suggesting you to watch the video again and again if you are not see some commands properly, because each and every word in this command are more important. If you missed something in between the video, there is no way to find your chance, because that's too difficult. You need to totally erase your VirtualBox and you need to do from the beginning. So you just watch carefully. Next we need to install the Tcl. Sudo apt get install python 3 minus tk means Tcl. Okay, yes. Okay, sudo apt get install curl. Yes. Okay, then sudo apt get install make. Make is a tool which will run the script automatically. Okay, now sudo apt get install git. We need a git to clone, so you need to install the git also in your system. Okay, now one of the step is completed. We have installed all dependencies and libraries for this. Now we need to install the Docker. Docker is a container. Your OpenLAN is run inside the Docker. So you need to install the Docker first. To install the Docker, you need to check some tools and libraries are available, or you need to install that. Okay, we can go to install the libraries needed for Docker. For that, sudo apt get install ca minus certificate, enter. uh, sudo apt get installed ca crti fi, okay, I series, okay. Or TIFI, okay, it's a spelling mistake. FI CATES, okay, it's showing installed. Okay, then we need to install the sudo apt git install curl we already installed, we are checking. Okay, it's showing it's already installed. Sudo apt git install GNUPG. Okay, we already installed GNU also. Next, sudo apt install lsb minus release. Okay, we already installed release also. Okay, and this is time to install the Docker. For installing Docker, you need to create a directory. So use this command to create a directory. Sudo mkdir minus p slash etc slash apt slash key rangs, press enter. Okay, now you need to type curl. You see we have installed the curl previously, we are using this tool here. Okay, curl fs sl. Fs means disk. You need to give the sl in capital, then just give a link https downloading.docker.com, and we are downloading Docker for Linux, and the version of the flavor of Linux is Ubuntu, and we also need GPG. Okay, next other function, sudo gpg dearmore minus o. We need to again declare the path, which is we created already, slash etc slash apt slash key rings slash docker dot gpg. Okay, now simply press enter. It will create you. Okay, the next step, you need to add the architecture for this. For that, press echo slash dub arch equals the other signs, which is dpkg minus minus print architecture Architecture means here what is your system's architecture. For example, ARM architecture or cross 86 Intel's architecture, and how much bit. To know this, you are giving this print architecture command, and then SIGNED minus by equals, again we need to declare the same path, slash etc slash apt slash key rangs slash docker dot gpg. Okay, now we need to declare the link https download dot docker dot com, and we are going to download Docker for Linux, and our flavor is Ubuntu. Again, the next function is at lsb underscore release. We have previously installed this lsb release also. Now we are using that tool, minus cs stable, which is a stable version, and then again a next function which is sudo t. T is also a tool. Again we need to declare our path, etc slash apt slash sources dot list dot d slash docker dot list, which should be on path of slash dev and null. Okay, now press enter. Will create you something. Okay, now you need to type sudo apt get install docker.io. Just press enter and wait for a few minutes. Press yes. Okay, now the Docker is installed, but there is some problem. The Docker is installed in your root system, but you need to take the Docker out of your root. For example, I will show you. Sudo docker run hello world. Wait, it will take few seconds. You see, it's running. Hello from Docker. Docker is responding us. Okay, we can try without sudo. Just type docker run hello world. This will not respond you. During a open LAN, we can't use sudo, so we need to make the Docker run without the sudo command. For that, you need to type sudo group add docker. Press enter. Okay. Now you need to know your username. To find your username, type whoami, WHOAMI. Press enter. and my username is Praveen. It's showing here, and if you type this command, your username will print here. Now we need to use that sudo usermod ag docker. But here I am entering my username. Here you need to enter your username and press enter. Okay, then you need to reboot your system, because if you turn it off and on means only the superintendent, which means your root will works. So just sudo reboot, and it will take few minutes. Okay, now you need to check the versions. Docker --vr_sion. It will show 26th version. It is fine. And you need to check the Python version also. Python 3 vrsion. Okay, 3.8 is a fine, good version. And Python 3 yum vrsion. Okay, it's also a fine, good version. Now we are going to install OpenLAN. Okay, now you see that it's downloading approximately 1.8 GB. I previously said you this is an 1.5 GB, and using this we have downloaded approximately 500 MB, and now we are downloading a 1 GB, a total size of approximately, but this is not approximate, this is confirmedly more than 1.5 GB, within 2 GB. It will take a few times to complete it, so make sure your internet connection should be strong, and check everything. If something or somebody went wrong, the whole process will be crashed and you need to start from the beginning. That's too hard, so only I am saying again and again, don't skip anywhere. You need to do without skipping, or else if you are facing any problems or queries, you can leave a comment. I will respond to you as soon as possible, but you need to try once again, and if you try again and again you are facing the same error means you can ask me, I will help you. Okay, it's nearly downloaded the half, and I can show you the full process and the working of the tools. This is just a testing process. I can show you the output of the test. Okay, it's downloaded 75%, still 25% left. It's going on. This is from eFabulous. You see here, eFabulous is the supplier for this. We are downloading OpenLAN from eFabulous, and PDKs are Skyward 130 nanometer. They are Google's open source PDK. I will show you everything. You see here PDK equal to Sky 130A. This is just a technology file. Sky 130A means tech. See. Okay, it's going to complete. We need to wait. Now the downloaded file is extracting. You see here, it's running. It will not take much more time to extract. Just within 1 minute it will extract fully. Okay, you see that now we are inside the OpenLAN container. Okay, you see now we are inside the OpenLAN successfully, and you see OpenLAN container. Container is Docker. So why we install the container. and 1.1.1 is just a number. Now you are using a first how to say, this is your project name something. Now you are using a first project. If you want, you can stop this project and you can continue 1.1.2, 1.1.3 and so on. Okay, now check what is inside this open LAN. You see there are many files and many scripts are inside this. Okay, in this video this is not enough to explain each and everything. I will just show you.